Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to create a new chatbot in ManyChat. Now, once you've logged in, you want to look towards your left-hand side and click on automation over here. And this is going to be where all your automations will be located. You want to click on new automation on the right-hand side, like so. And this is what you're going to see first. So you're going to have an option here to enter your text, right? Add a button. So enter reading here, right? And then you can add a button. You can add when this button is pressed. So you can add Telegram AI step, your website, etc., etc. So AI step is pretty cool. So do that. Click done. So you have that now. You can actually add a Telegram menu like so. Done, right? If you want, right? And you can add one of the content blocks. So add sample text and buttons, images, delay, right? And then once you've added stuff, right, you can choose the next step. It's going to be Telegram, right? And then new button here, right? So create new step. It's going to be you can start another automation if you want. And then here you can create the next step. So it's pretty much a flow for your AI chatbot. And again, you need to really automate there and type in the proper readings or proper text for each step. After that, you can click set live over here. And after that, you'll be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.